Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
I'm gonna try Starbucks for the first time. Let me see how it is. But I don't know. I never had it before. Oh, it's a line. What was the line? Not a coffee in here. Yeah, this is line. Oh, it's not different. Order. I'm gonna try this one. It's $5. That's crazy. I want to try the cheese Danish too, but I don't know. I end up spending $10 in this place. Can you recommend like an iced coffee? It's my first time.
Oh man. Okay, heard. Yes. Alright, so you said butter croissant and then you said recommend you.
Yeah, with an iced coffee because it's my first time trying Dunkin' Donuts. So I mean Starbucks.
You can do in my iced coffee I like putting extra pumps of classic. So if you go to grande that takes 4, right? So you would do 7 pumps.
Alright, just give me what you not too sweet. Yeah, oat milk is fine.
So 7 with oat milk, I think you'll like it.
Okay.
Because the oat milk, the non-dairy milks are more smooth. You want me to put some whipped cream on it? Because the whipped cream is free.
Alright, light.
Alright, so
yeah,
iced coffee with.
Can I try the
cheese Danish? Oh yeah, cheese Danish is good. Alright, so whipped cream and some drizzle. Alright, $13.99 isn't it?
My first time. Yeah, that's expensive. $13.99. My first and last time come up in here, okay? Alright. I just spent $13 in Starbucks. That's how much money I was spending in Starbucks. Over here, busy though. Yo, this shit better taste good because I just spent $13.99 in Starbucks. My first time going in there ever. And I ain't going back. This is what y'all waste your money on. Well, I ain't gonna say waste because it's something y'all like, but damn. Let me see what the hype is about first. I don't see it for this damn price. Let's see. I just can't spend too much money on a breakfast. It's not even big enough. Like damn. It better taste good. That's what I'm saying. I don't think she put no oat milk in there. She said she's gonna put oat milk in there. That's too much damn whipped cream, man. She ain't put no damn oat milk in there. Not bad. I'm about to mix it in. I like my coffee with I like my coffee cream. Better. Alright. Let's try the butter croissant. Ooh. This was $3. That's crazy. I like regular croissant. I only eat croissant all the time. Okay. Alright, so the cheese Danish. Okay, because I would look. It's either I was watching Tavion or Petite Sue. and she ordered cheese Danish. Or she said she was gonna order cheese. She wanted to order cheese Danish, but didn't have it. Something like that. Try it. And let me taste I want to taste the part with the cheese. This is like a croissant. That's good. Really good. So that was really good. Both of them is good, right? But at the same time, it's the price for me. Like, that is too much. I could go to a regular coffee shop and get a butter croissant for less than $4. I don't know. I don't know if they sell Danish anywhere else. Cheese Danish. I never really went to a coffee shop and got a cheese Danish anywhere. But I'm pretty sure I could find it somewhere for cheaper. Like I said, yeah, I be hyping this stuff up. I don't see the hype. It tastes good, but it's not a lot. It is my honest opinion, okay? I don't see the hype. Excuse me. I really don't see the hype. For me, if you just spend $14 a while ago, because never again. I could have just went to McDonald's and get their pancakes. And I'm pretty sure I wouldn't spend. I would never. I could have went to McDonald's and get a hotcakes. I spent hotcakes and an iced coffee for $2. This was. I don't even know how much this was. I don't know. I give her $15 because if this is $3.90. I put the price. I put the thing in the video. This was $3.95, and the other one was $3 something too. So that's like $7 already, right? So you telling me this is $8 or $6? Or they come over tax? Right? Morning.
You changed your hair again.
Yeah. Thanks. I don't see the hype, people. Why y'all always hype stuff up? See, because y'all don't follow trend all along. That's not me. I don't do what everybody else do. I could be the last person on earth to try something. I'm not gonna try because everybody else is doing it. See how long it took me to try Starbucks? I was hyping this up for years. And look at me. Feel like me waste my money. I like me at all. No. No, I'm joking, but it's not all that, okay? I will eat it again somewhere else. Not from Starbucks. Cause yeah. Ciao. McDonald's iced coffee tastes way better than this. Caramel frap. tastes way better than this. It tastes good, but it's not all that. How y'all made it to me. Okay? So yeah. Really wanted the spinach feta egg white wrap, something like that. That's what I wanted. But they didn't have it. So I'm like, let me try the butter croissant and the Danish. But I didn't want anything else. If you're new, my name is Annie K. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Without money, no gold can buy a company. No.